Hey everyone, I'm Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make a peach and thyme lemonade that's so smooth you'll just love it. So let's get started. I've already got 4 peaches cut up and quartered, and then I also have 6 stems of thyme. To that I'm going to add 1 cup of water and then 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to cook this on a high heat until it becomes a rolling boil and all of the sugar is dissolved, and then I'll bring it down to a simmer to cook down the peaches. I've let my peaches simmer for about 5 minutes and now I'm ready to take them off the stove. Now I'm going to strain the juice from them. With my spoon I'm just going to press out any additional juice. I want all of that peach flavor, but I don't want any of the pulp. It smells amazing. Definitely got that peach infused into that simple syrup along with the thyme. To my pitcher I've got 4 cups of water. And I'm gonna add this directly to that. Now I've got 1 cup of lemon juice. Look at this color. It's gorgeous. And of course, I love a garnish. So we're gonna top it with a little piece of thyme. I've got some peaches right here. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you'd love to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.